Every shape, size, and color, you see what he like. That's what he like. He like a nice and thick with the young. You understand me? And this one, she was the cracker from before. Oh, yeah. He happy with his caddy. I got chocolate tie. You happy today? Good. Saluk Sunan. Mi konsuk.
มีความสุขมากๆ
ใช่
แค่นี้ของอ้วน
Yeah, Caddy for Uwan. Yeah, Teddy got the, oh. Look at that. Should pull that down so they can see how pretty you are.
my caddy พี่งูด
Yeah,
ำ
put
เอ้ย
it down.
งูด
อะไรงูดำ
Pull it down.
Good.
Let me see this.
Me?
Yeah, shy. Ooh, come on, man. You can't make that shit up.
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
Face.
kind of true.
This is the pretty dark tie.
Yes.
She don't understand. She's dark, beautiful. We're gonna show you guys today about this beautiful dark tie caddy. So sweet. Americans like dark skin? Yeah, you see? Now you see beautiful? You see dark skin Suwai? Brown skin Suwai? Yeah. Yeah, you proud of it now, that's right. So we gonna spend the day with the brown skin caddy, and y'all make sure you guys tap in and let her know how beautiful brown skin is. And these white stockings, she's really dark and lovely, you dig? Look at Suwai Caddy. Hey, you see what I'm saying? We got some pretty ones today. I got my chocolate tie, and Russ got what he wanted. He likes them with the thickness.
With that boom, boom, boom.
Yes, sir. Swati Cop. Swati Cop. How are you? All right. We got 4 caddies, Suwai. Shy. Chocolate tie. Your name Chocolate Tie. Yeah. All right, y'all. We got fun today. I told you every shape, size, and color. That's what we got. You happy?
Happy Mak Mak.
Hey, we all happy Mak Mak. You dig?
Meet the caddy in which I call Chocolate Tie 2.0. The first time I went golfing with her, she was a bit insecure about the color of her skin.
Understand, man. She has dark skin. Show them this dark skin. Show them this pretty dark skin. And she don't think it's pretty. Turn around. Let me see. You don't think your dark skin is pretty? Oh, she gave a little spin. I know you shy, but I gotta let people in America know they'll marry you. You say you want to get married, right? Oh, you don't want to get married?
No, I don't. It doesn't mean like that.
Oh, so you do want to get married? Let them know. I'm gonna let them know. Pretty dark skin, pretty thick lips, pretty big legs, and she thinks it's not pretty because in Thailand, pretty hair. America, this beautiful.
Really?
We love. Oh, really? They will marry you. They gonna bug the shit
American
out
people
of me.
like a tan skin.
How many people like tan skin? Ask them. I'm gonna let them ask them how many people like tan skin. Ask. Say.
How many people like tan skin?
And what about lips?
Lip?
Uh-huh. And big legs. Ask them. America. I'm gonna show you. We're gonna see. I'm gonna show you.
Look at the look on her face. She really doesn't understand how beautiful her dark skin really is. If you follow Zoom to Thailand, TikTok, and Instagram, and even my Instagram live, you would have seen this video. The comment section went crazy. Overwhelmingly, the consensus was she was beautiful in her dark skin.
You like your brown skin now, right? You see video, you see people write, they say they like your dark skin, you see video?
Yes.
Okay, so you know now, right? You know it's beautiful, right?
Yes.
All right. Say brown is beautiful.
Brown is beautiful.
That's right.
Some of the caddies here at the course are excellent golfers. For example, look at her form, follow through, and finish. We may not be the best golfers, but we thoroughly enjoy playing with our caddies. With caddies like these, golf is almost secondary.
Bad, beautiful. Young tender.
Lucky man.
Bad.
Lucky man today.
Lucky man.
To see more of these amazing beauties, make sure to follow our Zoom to Thailand and Ladies of Zoom to Thailand Instagrams. Brilliant!
Oh my goodness!
That woman
You
down,
set my
boy.
ball up for me, you see me?
Sad, boy.
Set that ball up, girl. What I gotta do? Which way?
Which way?
The ball.
Left, up and down here.
Up and down. Did you say up and down?
Up and down.
Hey! What a team. Where everybody's influencing each other to get down. Here we go.
This is concentration.
That's what he got. That's what he got. This one is so bad. You can get put there. Hey.
ทำไมต้องหายหน้าใกล้ขนาดนี้ด้วย
Watch out, my line, man.
Put it, baby.
ลงหมู
Put it in there. Put it in there. Come on, mama.
You sound like me. Put it in
ได้
there.
เหรอตรงๆได้เลยอ่ะ
She's like, let me do my job.
Let me do my job.
You camera not focus.
My camera. Trying to tie up in the building. You understand me with the white-legged stockings, though. Why you got the white-leg stockings? I want to see brown. I want to see your
Brown.
brittle skin. Yeah.
Nice the white.
Nice, so white.
Protect the sunrise.
Oh, yeah? I think they just want to look light. Ready, Cap? Okay. Right, give me the pole dance. Hey. Oh, shit. Hey, back into. Oh, shit, he backed into something. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Hey. Hey, Pooya. Hey. Hey.
Damn, you hit it that long.
What? Damn. Let me show y'all something. This is the snack bar. Even the snack bar lady can get it. Tattoos. You see tattoos? Oh, hey. What a day looks like. That's a little snack bar. That's a thick one. Y'all like them thick? They go a thick one. Y'all like them thin? They go a thin one. You like them in the middle? The chocolate one? That's what you get right there. We just playing golf, man. This is what golf is like. I like at the basketball court, niggas be arguing. Ain't nobody getting paid. Here, it's just a player sport. That looks really, really suspect here. Are you changing your stance, Ted?
This caddy got him giddy. He just giggling. Look at it, giggling.
So it seems people are falling in love on the golf course right now. My man Teddy's falling in love. Chocolate tie over here. That long pretty hair, that all natural hair. Yeah, the bong bong. Give her some bong bong. You want some? Yeah, some bong bong. Y'all know I can't do nothing, but I do have fun. 1, 2, 3. Hey!
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
I can't make this up. Y'all seeing it for yourself. You seeing it live. I can't make this up.